Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the online class of Maths. Children, today we are going to begin Unit 13 Patterns. In this unit, we are going to study some geometrical and number patterns. We are also going to learn about even and odd numbers. And we will also study some addition properties of even and odd numbers. So let us begin our today's online class. Patterns. Children, you must have seen patterns on your dresses, on your bed sheets, on sari borders, and many more things. Pattern is a design. It is a sequence that repeats. Patterns are of two types, geometrical patterns and number patterns. Let us understand them one by one. Geometrical patterns are made by using geometrical shapes, figures, letters, etc. They are of two types, repeating geometrical patterns and growing geometrical patterns. Repeating geometrical patterns are the patterns which repeats themselves. As you can see in these examples, growing geometrical patterns are the patterns that grow in number. You can see the examples of growing geometrical patterns on this slide. Number patterns. In number patterns, numbers are arranged sequentially according to a rule or rules. Look at this example. In this pattern, the number is continued by adding 3 to the last number each time. This is a number pattern, where each time the rule of +3 is used to continue the pattern. This is another example of number patterns, where 5 is added each time to the last number to continue the number patterns. Children, now let us know about even and odd numbers. Even numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 2. Or we can say the numbers which are completely divided by 2 are called even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. The numbers which are odd do not get completely divided by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers. In other words, we can say that even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. For example, the numbers 4, 56 and 730, they ends with 4, 6 and 0. So these are even numbers. On the other hand, odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The examples of odd numbers are 9, 83 and 641. These numbers end in 9, 3 and 1. So these are odd numbers. Now let us learn some addition properties of even and odd numbers. When we add two even or two odd numbers, the sum is always even. Look at the first example. 10 is an even number and 6 is also an even number. When we add two even numbers, we will get an even number, which is 16. Look at the second example, where 11 and 7 are added, which are both odd numbers, gives even number as the sum, which is 18. According to the second addition properties of even and odd numbers, when we add an even number and an odd number, the sum is always odd. Look at the examples. 12 plus 15 is 27. 12 is an even number and 15 is an odd number. When we add an even and an odd number, we'll get 27, which is an odd number. Similarly, in the next example, 44 is an even number and 11 is an odd number. When we add 44 and 11, we'll get 55, which is again an odd number. So these are the two addition properties of even and odd numbers. That's all for today. Thank you.